Last one over here. Welcome to the world. Six-legged lamb born in Germany.
Yeah, this was recommended by someone in the chat.
Wow.
Shout out.
We got a nice little video clip here. Sheep farmer, Burned Tinter. What a sheep farmer name. Burned Tinter. And his wife were surprised when they found a newborn lamb born with 6 legs.
Look at that.
Farmer in Germany. I see. Oh, wow. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 5.
Maybe the other one's nestled in there.
Where's 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, it's
maybe there's a mini one.
Impressive enough with the 5.
It's just walking around.
This is one of those ones where they're checking the water supply. They're like, wait a sec, what's going on? The lamb and its mother are being kept separate from the rest of the sheep because why? This one's not stable enough.
Right here?
Oh, wait, I don't know, because you got to pause now. Oh, maybe. Yeah, she's not strong enough. She's not strong enough yet. I got to assume from a coordination perspective, it's a little more tricky to figure out, right?
Yeah.
Especially at least with the 5 legs, there's dexterity there. Like they can kind of move a little bit. They're not just hanging in there. So from a coordination standpoint, it's a little extra work, but this happens from time to time, right?
Yeah.
Nature, you get some surprising things going on. It just so happens to be happening at a time when a lot of people are talking about all types of chemical spills going on. I don't know if you've been following any of that.
Yeah.
Oh,
acid rain?
Well, they're saying, I mean, they don't know the consequences of it. Yeah. They say you got like a parking lot full of dead birds, or you remember on The Simpsons, you had the fish with the
fish.
Yeah, you had the fish with the
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. I presume this guy's got about 1,000 other sheep, and that they didn't. This can also be like in nature. This can happen from time to time as well, right? Oh, okay. There we go. One leg has been tied up with a bandage, make it difficult for the lamb to stand and suckle. So one has to be tied up. Well, you know what? Good luck to the 6-legged lamb, and to Burned Tinter with his farm.
Okay.
And to absolutely everyone in the world who's dealing with whatever they're dealing with, because it's everybody's always dealing with something.
Yeah.
And we wish you the best in that endeavor.